Hi, my name is Maggie, and I did the Lean Teen program. A little bit more about the Lean Teen program is that it's a program designed to help transform adolescent lives in their ways of eating and nourishing their bodies, as well as their minds. So the program is a year-long program that teaches fitness plans, weight loss programs that are just for kids and teens, specifically for the ages of 8 to 18. Their slogan at Lean Teens is "Every child deserves the opportunity to realize their full potential." The nearest location is in Charlotte, North Carolina, and there's a bunch of other locations surrounding, but this one was the closest one to Boone that I could find. The admission criteria is basically any adolescent that is at risk for being overweight, or just wanting to learn more about a healthy eating lifestyle and habits and just everything in between. So the staffing there, they are highly qualified and experienced trainers specifically for children and teens, and they're there for the availability to help facilitate workouts, meal plans, and coaches are there to help children and teens get involved in more physical activity while incorporating families. It's so important for not only the child to understand wellness and health, but it's important for the family to incorporate that into everyday life. The food and nutrition that they implement there is the Lean Teen program emphasizes nutrition, support, and exercise in an equal balance. So they use a 3-step program, which is nutrition, support, and exercise. And they focus on the power of nutrition to make a support system in an array of foods that the child and teen likes and that can improve their eating habits. So if a child will eat zucchini, but they won't eat broccoli and carrots, they're going to work on a meal plan that's going to incorporate more zucchini than broccoli and carrots. For example, they also have personalized consultations and group meetings and exercise classes. The exercise program there, the Lean Teen program offers exercise classes that help design programs that aid teens and children to be physically active in a fun and invigorating way. It's just really important for children and as they grow into teens to learn how to be physically active in a way that suits them and that really interests them. For an example, for 30 minutes of exercise, and then there's 30 minutes of group support. The group support is basically in place to let the children and teens know that they are not alone in their weight loss and fitness journey, if that's the kind of journey they're on. And if they're just on a journey for wellness and just to continue being healthy and physically active, then they are going to encourage that they keep up that work and just incorporate just how important it is to be physically active and to eat things that fuel your body. Combining short but vigorous bursts of cardio with recovery periods in between is actually way more effective than doing a same pace workout for the same amount of time. You actually burn more calories opposed to just doing the same amount of exercise in the same time at the same pace. For the schedule, the exercise hours are Monday through Thursday, 3 to 8 p.m. And this is basically like an after-school program. So if the kids get out of school, they can come there, go enter one of their programs and just work out for a little while, or they can get help with meal plans, or they can just get counseling and just positive encouragement. The same on Fridays from 3 to 7. This is also just a time for the kids to come in. Parents are always welcome. And Saturday from 9 to 12, they encourage parents to come with the kids and just become physically active with them, enjoy and be involved in the programs that they're involved in. And all other services are offered during the same amount of hours. So Monday through Thursday, on Friday, and on Saturday, they're all offered. Meal plan preparation and meal plan just scheduling and working out how to make a meal plan that works for your family, not just the child, is important. And they offer services there. They offer services for every child, and physical activity classes are available during those hours. Here is the website for the Lean Teen program. I had actually never heard about it until I looked it up, and I'm so glad that I did because I enjoyed learning about it. I enjoyed just reading about the positive encouragement that the kids receive. And there were actually some comments where the children had left and grown out of the program and left a comment on it and was very positive about the experience that they received there. So I just thought it was a really positive program, and I wanted to share that with you guys.